What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Vince, and before we get on to today's topic, which is unbelievable information, I want to talk about an unbelievable giveaway that we're doing. It ends at the end of this month, September. You have a chance to get entered to win if you go on over to our video. It's our channel trailer that highlights this Milwaukee stud tape measure. Pretty cool tape measure, very durable. You can drop it 80 foot, it won't even break, and it'll still run. If a tape measure can do such a thing as run, it can still operate. So go on over there, check out that video. I'll put a link here. Let's get on today's topic. You've been asking for it, and we got some spy photos for you. Everybody loves spy photos. So here it is. Everybody's been asking me, when will you be able to get the Milwaukee Gen 3 combo kit in the PACKOUT organizer? Well, we have spy photos here. You can't get your hands on them just yet, but we have to give credit to Jonathan and Neil. Neil somehow, some way, has a connection with someone at a big retailer. They had these hidden away in the back room in a cardboard box. Neil coerced the person. I don't know if he slipped them a 20 or 100. A hundo gets a lot of boxes open and a lot of doors open. But he was able to actually buy this. Whether he bought it under the assumption that it was a Gen 2 kit. If you look here, you can see there is the red stripe on the chuck. You can see the smaller impact driver that's more powerful than Gen 2. But the biggest telltale, of course, is the handle, the accessory handle that wraps around the entire gear case on the Gen 3. This is, in fact, Gen 3. Now, when they roll these out at the store, let's see what you're getting. You can see it's a product number 2997-22CXPO. It's a special buy kit. It's $614 worth of tools and boxes. Included a PACKOUT toolbox. It's toolbox number 48228424. Of course, it's going to have the same great Gen 3 tools inside, up to 60% more power, up to 1.5 inches shorter, and up to 2 times faster speeds. You're getting the hammer drill, you're getting the impact driver, you're getting a charger, you're getting a PACKOUT box. This is the thing that I looked closer, and I took a double take. In this kit, you're getting a single XC 5.0 battery, and you're getting the CP 2.0 battery. Now, maybe a free PACKOUT box doesn't tickle your fancy like batteries do. You might be better served by going with the kit that does not come in the PACKOUT box. It comes in its standard hard case. That kit would come with 2 5-amp-hour batteries, opposed to this one compact and one 5-amp-hour combination. I will say this, the CP 2.0 makes a very compact impact driver even more compact. But here's the deal. Be on the lookout for these kits. They're going to be hitting sales floors and shelves pretty soon. So we wanted to bring that information to you. You spied it here first. And if you like undercover, covert operations that show spy photos, smash the like button. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.